منصور صاحب جناب حاجي صاحب بدر وپنځلس سره ناست بس یو ورځ مجلس سره کاوه نو جماعت سره شروع شو تر پیشلمي پورې پیشلمي منځونه سره وکړه سره ولاړو
And I want to tell you tomorrow that the entire world is watching you. So the expectation is very high. I'm sure you will live through that expectation. And I also would like to thank my dear friend, His Excellency Ambassador Marcus. I think everybody knows him, the German special envoy for Afghanistan and Pakistan. Our partnership in this event is a clear testimony the unique relationship between Berlin and Doha.
او زمون شراکت دلته وي د جرمني او د قطر وي دا په دې دلالت کوي چې د قطر او د دوحه او برلین ترمنځ ډېرې
inshallah we'll continue this partnership with a good cause inshallah.
دا شراکت به انشاءالله د ښه هدف لپاره دوام ولري.
I don't want to take much of your time. Allow me to give the floor to my dear friend, Ambassador.
Also great and warm welcome to all of you. We're very happy to have you here. It's a unique opportunity for Afghans to sit together to talk about the future of the country. It would not have been possible without good cooperation between Germany and Qatar. I would like to thank my good friend Mutlaq Al-Qahtani, President Dr. Mutlaq Al-Qahtani, for their generosity for the professional organization, and for a really close cooperation for a good cause.
او دلته غواړم چې له ښاغلي ډاکټر صاحب تختاني څخه مننه وکړم د دوی د ښه تنظیم نه او د دوی د ټولو کوششونو نه.
Rest our speeches you can hear tomorrow, can listen to tomorrow morning.
او زموږ نورې خبرې به انشاءالله سبا سهار به تاسو به هغه واورئ.
So to be continued, and I hope and I encourage you to all come together tomorrow morning.
نو تاسو ته زما خواهش ده ټول د خیر راشئ.
For tonight, Murat.
And please, tomorrow we want to start 9 sharp. I hope 8:45, 8:30 you will be in the room, because too much security, too much media coverage, too much protocol. So please just be on time.
نو سبا ته به د خیر دقیقاً په 9 بجو باندې پیل وکړو. نو خواهش ده چې د 9 نه مخکې 8:30 بجې او کم 9 بجې راشئ، ځکه چې نور اجراءات دي د دخول اجراءات.
And now let me ask you to enjoy your dinner.